Here's a nice pulling rig at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado LT 3500 four-wheel drive crew cab. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile vehicle, 125,999 on the odometer right now, so let's say 126,000. Not a lot of miles left in this one to give. Does have the HD power package, so it's a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. That's paired up with the Allison 5-speed automatic with overdrive. Locking rear differential, 373 rear gear ratio. Sport red metallic with medium gray leather interior. Take a look at this front end. Bug shield has already been installed, as well as the bug screen over the grille. So very nice condition up front. Paint shows well. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from every angle: underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Right on polished aluminum wheels. Michelin radial tires, plenty of tread left up front. Technician also noted brakes well, brakes straight, and they're in good shape. 80% up front, 80% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see the paint shows well down this passenger side. There's a few little blemishes, but hey, it's an 05, it's been driven a little bit, and I'll point out a couple of them that I noticed here towards the rear. But paint has a nice shine to it. Running boards have already been installed. Side glass is tinted lightly, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Coming back here to the dualies, also Michelin's on the outer, it looks like. Not quite as much tread as up front, but not bad. If we look at the bed, it does have the ball for the fifth wheel hitch, as well as an auxiliary fuel tank. And here's a couple of those blemishes, and again, this is pretty small considering 3/4 ton puller like this, so not bad at all. You can see the paint shows well. Let's come around to the rear. It does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. Looks like a Corsa, judging by that exhaust tip. And the technician also noted there's no catalytic converters with the aftermarket exhaust. Trailering package back here. Tailgate, nice shape. How many times do you see those all banged up? Once again, all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the window sticker in with the still pics. It's going to show you exactly how this was equipped. From the factory, it does have the rear seat entertainment system. Also has the retractable camper style mirrors, and those are power, if you didn't notice that. Looking down the passenger side. Also a skid plate and more with that LT package especially. Nicely loaded. AC blows cold. If you like these more modern trucks that are good for pulling, and even if you like classic trucks, either way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And there's those retractable camper style mirrors I was talking about. And there's no major nicks, dings, scratches again up and down this driver's side. Let's take a look at this rear seating area. I want to show you this. Door panels look like new, and check out these seating surfaces. I would guess this had seat covers on it the majority of its life, judging by the condition of this interior. There's that Panasonic drop down screen, DVD player. And of course, modern amenities. Power windows, power mirrors. This would actually have the heated seat back and the heated seating area, memory seating. The mirrors, and those are power retractable once again, as well as power mirrors. Power seat over here on the driver's side already has a nice formed floor mat in it, and of course the leather seating surface is in nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. Tilt column steering wheel controls, push button 4-wheel drive. Couple aftermarket gauges on the A-pillar. I'll show you the exact miles here. We're going to do this a little bit different. We're going to look underneath the hood before I start it up, since it's a diesel compared to our normal videos. And then I'll start it up though quick. Let's hear it run. 125,999. So like I said, let's call it 126,000 by the time it gets moved around a couple times. Boost gauge, you want to take a good look at those gauges, let you see those. Top of the dash, good shape. There's also a CB, it looks like Uniden, that was installed up here. See, stereo working shape, electronic climate control, and looks like AC, HVAC, heat controls, all there. Heated seats over on the passenger side as well, Bose stereo system. Electric trailer brake already hooked up. This one's ready to go. It's ready to pull, folks. Alright, I don't know if I can get this one-handed here or not. Let's try. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Maybe. Yep, looked out. Alright. Look at that hood liner, how clean that is. Doesn't look like this thing's ever been driven in the winter or in climate weather. Wow, look how clean this engine bay is. Once again, 6.6 liter turbo diesel. We have a cold air setup over here. Of course, dual batteries. You know, one here, one up front. Those are from 2024, both of them. So batteries are both new, a little over a year old, give or take. Man, what a clean, tidy engine bay in an 05. All right, let's go ahead and I will fire it up here just a bit so we can hear it run. Let's turn that key on. Little plugs go here a bit. Sorry, we're a little out of focus. All right. Check for lights, no service engine soon lights, check engine light, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have my seat belt on. Let you hear it. Check out that exhaust pipe, looks good. And up front. I don't want to let it run too long, like I said. We're indoors. Got the detailed guys right next to me over here. Don't want to stink them out too bad. It is a diesel. 2005 Chevrolet Silverado LT 3500 four-wheel drive crew cab, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, 126,000 miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And if you're interested in one of these or this truck in it itself, call, because I don't think this one's going to last very long. Very clean puller.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado. This being a heavy hauler dually pickup truck. It's sprinkling out today, but we're gonna do this video for you anyway. The wipers are working. We can at least show you that. Stereo sounds great in this truck. Carhartt covers on the seats, keeping them nice for the next owner. This is an automatic on the column, of course. You can turn off overdrive for best hauling. Steering wheel controls are provided. This is a diesel, if you haven't noticed yet. We have a boost gauge here, a pyrometer here. Waiting for a little traffic. Our temperature gauge is showing about 170, still rising. The battery's over 14 volts, as it should be. Our fuel tank is showing over a half a tank, and the oil pressure is about 70 to 80 psi. Speedometer working, tachometer working. This is a four-wheel drive. Currently we have it in 2 for street use. Center storage, bucket seats up front, cup holders. Equipped with a CB radio. All the goodies. This truck rides like a low-mile truck. We got some tint on the top of the windshield. Keep the sun out of your eyes on those long tows if you tow vehicles, or if you're just gonna have fun with this truck. Very nice condition inside and out. Steering wheel even looks low mile. Brakes nice and smooth. Plenty of torque from that diesel engine. Corners well, easily. Nice long folding trailer mirrors with a dome on them so you can see very well in your side mirrors. Fun to drive, useful, nice looking Chevy diesel pickup. Find all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.